Most people think earning on reward apps is the hard part, but that's only half the story. The real confusion starts when it's time to withdraw your money. And here's the truth no one tells you. If you don't understand the withdrawal process properly, you can lose time, miss payouts, or even pick the wrong cash-out method. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to withdraw from Freecash in 2026 using PayPal, crypto, and gift cards. You'll see how each method works, how long payouts take, and how to avoid common mistakes that beginners make. By the end, you'll know the fastest and safest way to cash out your earnings. Let's start with the basics. Freecash is a rewards platform where you earn by completing tasks like surveys, app installs, or game offers. Once you reach the minimum balance, you can withdraw your earnings. John, a student from Texas, started with small game offers and reached his first cash out in a few days. Now here's where it gets interesting. The withdrawal system is simple, but your experience depends on the method you choose. First, PayPal withdrawals. This is the most popular option because it feels like real cash. You go to the withdraw section, select PayPal, enter your email, and confirm the request. Most users receive payments quickly, sometimes within minutes, but in some cases, it can take a few hours depending on verification. But here's the problem. PayPal may not always be available for every offer or region. So you need a backup option. Next is crypto withdrawals. Freecash supports coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin. This method is fast and often has lower minimum thresholds. Alex, a casual user from Canada, prefers crypto because it avoids PayPal limitations. But remember, crypto value can fluctuate, so the amount you withdraw might change in real-world value. Now let's talk about gift cards. This is the easiest option for beginners. You can redeem rewards for Amazon, Google Play, and other brands. The process is instant in most cases, and it is perfect if you just want to spend your earnings directly instead of transferring to a bank. Now here's a key tip most users miss. Always double-check the minimum withdrawal amount before starting a cash out. Different methods have different limits, and choosing the wrong one can delay your payout. Also, make sure your account is verified. Freecash may require email or identity checks before approving larger withdrawals. This is normal and helps prevent fraud. So here's the final takeaway. Withdrawing from Freecash in 2026 is simple if you choose the right method. PayPal is best for cash. Crypto is best for flexibility. And gift cards are best for quick spending. If you follow the steps correctly, you will get paid without issues. If this helped you understand how Freecash withdrawals actually work, like the video, drop a comment with your preferred payout method, and subscribe for more clear guides on online earning platforms.